How to hide post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings. Then not settings, click on your profile here, and after you click on it, just go down, select any post you want to hide, like this one here. Click on it and click I don't want to see this, and click hide and hide, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.